So you have multiple links and you wanted to put them into just one QR code. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this happen. To make this happen, I'm going to be showing you an application called the Linktree. Basically, Linktree is a LinkedIn bio tool that can be helping you to share stuff even if you create curated sale. The process actually is not that hard. It's going to be really simple, and we don't have to do a lot. So what you want to do is to go directly here into linktr.ee. And inside here, what I wanted to do is to go for the element that says sign up for free. Inside the element of the sign up for free, usually what I do to make this element much more faster is to do this directly with my Google account. So what I'm going to be doing here is to choose my TextPress element website, Gmail, sorry. I have continue, and now I'm inside the Linktree. Now that I have these element of the Linktree, the next thing I wanted to be working on is into my actual website, my actual Linktree website. So you can see that we have now different tools so we can use them to get started. So basically here we have the profile, you have the links, you have the shop, the design, earn, audience, inside. Let's focus only for the element that says inside Linktree, go for the links. Now here directly inside the links, what you wanted to do is to paste all the URLs that you currently have. Let's say for example I want to be starting with my Instagram account. So just select Instagram, and you can go, let's say for example, add an Instagram linked profile. Right, so here's going to be asking you what is the actual URL of your Instagram. Usually it starts with HTTPS. I'm gonna go for Instagram.com. Since this is just a trial, I'm gonna just type Instagram like this, and once you finish with the link, you want to enable it. You can see that into the right section it will be appearing like the preview of how it's going to be looking your actual website. Now add as much links as you can possibly can. So in my case, let's say for example that I wanted to enable a new one. So once again I'm going to do exactly the same process. Let's say add an actual custom link, and you wanted to paste the actual link. Let's say for example that I wanted to be pasting a Canva element. So here it is, send visitors to this specific link. So once you have added the actual link, what you can do is to change the actual title of here. For example, let's say get 30 days of Canva Pro. Right, and you can see then to the right section how it's going to be changing. Now the thumbnail is going to be something going to be really important, because it might be a little bit more attractive depending on who actually watched this. So when I click directly into the element that says thumbnail, I can hit for the element that says change. You can generate the thumbnail with artificial intelligence. Let's say for example create a beautiful thumbnail image of a minimalistic butterfly. Right, and I make this painting and I generate an actual image. You can do this with the artificial intelligence. You can check out the free tools that Linktree has to offer, or you can just create your own and import them directly inside them. But basically I'm going to just stick around with that stuff. In my case, let's say for example that this actually works. I hit for the element that says confirm, and just like that I had an actual custom thumbnail. Now I'm going to head for, let's say for example, Instagram thumbnail. Since this is a social media, usually it appears into icons. So just type for example Instagram, and you can see that we can add automatically the Instagram tool here. So once you finish with this element, let's go for the upper section where we can change now our profile image, for example, and I can select a video, which is totally for free, of course. Let's say that I generate this one. I hit for the element that says add. Let's go for save, and there we go. So when I finish with this element, what I wanted to do now is to test if this actually works. So basically into the upper right section we have an actual link. You can change this directly into the settings, and you can customize the CEO metadata. So when you finish here inside the settings, you can connect your own Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. You can check out the social content. You have the mailing list. You have more designing tools. There's the analytics of Facebook ID, Google measurements, etc. So I wanted to focus only for the actual Linktree. Basically, when you generate your first Linktree, it might be asking you to choose your first code or URL or domain in my case, but since I have already, let's say I've already have this code, it won't be letting me change this. So what I need to do is to try to make sure adhere to the platform location. It might be letting me change this, but I think it won't be letting me do this right now. So I'm gonna go ahead to copy the actual link. I'm gonna open a new tab, paste my link, and see how this actually works. You can see that the actual website works really fine. If I click, for example, through Instagram, this should be sending me directly into Instagram.com. It actually works. The same thing here into Canva Pro. So this actually makes some really great deals, and we're actually good to go. So you want to always download out in a vector format. This ensures the code stays sharp even in below into the actual bedboard. So basically, guys, this is how we can actually get started with this. All of these links based into just one actual element of the QR. Now, the most great stuff is that when you finish with all of these elements, if you wanted to just fulfill this into just one QR, you wanted to select this link and convert this into an actual QR code, which is this element that says QR. Here is my unique link to a QR code that will direct people to this specific link, and that specific links is the one that hosts all of these multiple links, and we don't have to do absolutely anything at all. Now, you might be wondering if this has an expiration date, if this won't be working. Well, basically this is perpetual. This is it will be exactly the same Linktree QR code, but if you wanted to make more changes, you wanted to add, delete multiple stuff, the QR will be changing. So make sure that this is your final draft, your final edit before you wanted to print this and put it out there, because it will be automatically changing the QR code every time you make changes into your Linktree bio. So that will be actually it, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can all see you next time.